Hey you guys, in today's video I just woke up, so don't even I am not a morning person. I'm trying to be, but I'm not. What I really want to do is wear a test today. But first, before we get into this video, please subscribe at the button down below. And like this video if you want more wear tests, and comment down below what foundations you want me to do wear tests on, or any product you want me to do wear tests on. Today's product is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation Stick. You know I love the regular one, and I had to make it to where I wasn't using it. I pretty much had to hide it from myself. I still have strep throat, so I'm just going to do a rundown, and then I'm just gonna sit and chill and do my makeup. And then throughout the day I work 10-hour shifts, so I go to work at 9:30. It's 7:57 right now, so I'll be wearing this for about 12.5 hours basically. So if that's not a weird test, what is? The rundown: today I will be testing out the Wet n Wild Photo Focus primers. Half of my face I will have matte, half of my face I'll have the regular one. Didn't know which one to get. My skin is changing since I'm getting older, so I definitely wanted to try two out. I was going to grab the hydrating one for the perimeter of my face and the matte one for the middle, but I was like, you know what, let's just go with the original and the matte. We're going to do that. And then I have Photo Focus Foundation 6. Wet n Wild actually helped me with my shade. I had got soft beige thinking it was going to be my shade. It looks so much darker in person, but actually don't go with what is to the eye. Definitely go with like maybe a shade or two darker than you think you are, because once you get off that top layer it is very light. And then I have the Photo Focus concealer, but we'll also be testing out this Photo Focus banana powder, and you know I love my yellow powders, as well as trying out this new highlighter, and I have some bronzers, and I think that's it. So I'm gonna let my camera charge for a little bit while I do my hair, and then I will get back on here and demonstrate the products. Okay, so we have a full Wet n Wild base, and yeah, it looks pretty flawless. Like, okay, just to run down my first impression, the primers. This one was so, like, I loved putting it on that I wanted to keep putting it on, but I knew that would not be good. So I was like, dang, like this is really smoothing. Like, it's very dewy though, as you can see in the video. This matte one does not go a long way. You really have to push it into the skin because it is a little bit on the drier side. If you hear something in the background, that's my Shih Tzu. The foundation, I'm liking it. First impression, I'm liking it. I am scared that it is going to get a little creasy, so that's my only concern, that it's going to crease, because I mean it's a stick foundation. It's pretty heavy. You see, I knew the bronzer was kind of light, so I went in with my darker PHOTOFOCUS foundation in caramel and just did a base contour, and then I went in with this Sunset Striptease bronzer, and basically I did my eyes with it. I loved it for my eyes. Like, it gives that sheen, like it's just like so pretty. And then I did a little bit of bronzing, which you saw it barely showed up on me. I wish they had darker shades, because I believe this is the darkest one, and I'm kind of upset because I was really hoping for this bronzer to work for me. For highlight, I used the new color, which is Golden Flower Crown, 333B Golden Flower Crown, and it's so pretty. Like, that is a really pretty golden highlight. I die for a golden highlight. And this one, it creates a cast, so I kind of like to use it as blush. This is Precious Petals. Yeah, this is Precious Petals, and I really love to use this as a blush topper or a blush, because it does create a little bit of a cast on me. But yeah, let's see how this wears for 12 hours, and yeah, see you after I put some lashes, not lashes, see after I put mascara, liner, and lips on, and I'll see you at work, or right before I go into work. It is 8:40 now, so I'll see you in about an hour. Okay, so this is what we're looking like under my studio lights on my iPhone. Very glowy, love the highlight, but the finish isn't what I'm used to, so I'm not gonna comment on it yet. So this is fresh. This is maybe like 45 minutes in, and let's go over here to the sunlight ish. This is what we're looking like in the shaded light. So yeah, I kind of like this look. I'm eating breakfast, but this is an hour after applying it, and it doesn't look too bad after it wears in a little bit. I thought it was gonna be cakey, but it's not cakey no more. Okay, so update. It's starting to break apart around my mouth, and then my nose is like in that little crease, like it's definitely there. My oils are starting to break through. Under my eyes are very creased, and I get little wrinkles right there, which I'm very insecure about, and they are creasing already, and it's only been about almost 4 hours. That's how we're looking from far away. Here's with no flash. So no flash, it doesn't, with flash it looked a little bit too much, but this is without flash. Not too bad. My under eyes are creasing and a little oily, but we're still good in my opinion. This is after, okay, let's see, it's almost 7 hours, no touch-ups, because I don't touch up my makeup. My skin is so oily, and it's broken around my nose like really bad, and my mouth, and that's what the middle is looking like. This is what we're looking like from far away. It's doing pretty okay for being $5. Okay, so I just blotted my face. This is how much oils came off, and this is how I usually do it. And you guys, look at this. My nose didn't break apart. My forehead did not break apart. My mouth did not break apart. 7 hours of wear, and it's still going strong. $5 foundation, $6 foundation. So I'm in the bathroom because there was too many people talking at my desk. So this is my skin. The light's kind of better in here too. Okay, that was okay. Okay, so this is my skin after 10 hours of wear. Close up with no flash. It is very oily, but I'm gonna blot it on camera for you guys so you can see how it doesn't break apart. If it doesn't break apart, but literally my skin is like an oil slick. Like, oh my gosh, I feel like I have baby oil on my face, and I'm wanting to take this off so bad. I might take it off after this check-in because this is kind of ridiculous. So I'm gonna take one of these paper towels like I usually do, and this is what I usually do. This is how I blot my face, guys. I am a minimal touch-up type of person. Okay, so yeah, we about to take this off, because I'm gonna come back with the flash on and I'll show you what I just did. Okay, so I just blotted my face for the second time today, and this is what happened. That this definitely needs to come off my face ASAP. It's separated. It lasted about, I say, 8 hours. So this foundation is okay. It is good for oily skin if you have the right products, and yeah. So I'll keep pissing you out and leave a comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.